perfect music for D-Troit. Exactly sure why that's cut that way, but all that oil on there, I assume that that was where the pump jack was, and then the well is down in there. So like I said, I think it was probably cut out for the swing of the pump jack to pump the water out. Just my guess. The other cool thing, there's a workbench in the corner, cleaned off. And then there's a NB carved in there, which I think my grandpa's brother was Norman. So I'll probably try to save the bench, maybe that board, and then the rest of the building. I think it's got some pretty old electrical stuff in it. I'm guessing original to the powering system. There's your 3 lines, and they go kind of up and over, and then they go to the house eventually. It's all sorts of electrical stuff. Power box over there. It's a knob and tube everywhere. So anyway, I'm gonna come down. It's not on the foundation very well, and it's just pretty far gone. So cool stuff though.